Right, this is the opening for a video where I'm meeting Elijah. And I want to keep it until he's here, so I could have done it on camera with him. But it's killing me looking at it. So do you remember on the last video, we went for chicken at Marston's? Look at the mess he's left in my car. Greasy stains on top. Then he's put his salt packet there. Why would you put your salt packet there? Then there's all his crumbs, and then look at that big, juicy, like, dribble of something. He's an animal, isn't he? He's an absolute animal. And it's Christmas Eve. I've not done any Christmas shopping. Alright. So I've just come, there's a card factory there, and I'm going to get a calendar. Yeah, I bet you wish you were getting gifts off me, don't you? Alright, good morning. Look how tired I am. Oh. 7:40. And, sorry, someone's just crossing over in front of me. Going to the Apple shop to buy a new phone. I'll tell you all about that debacle a little bit later. My voice is going as well, and I've not even been shouting. Huddersfield Town won 5-0 yesterday. Can you believe that? Nah, me neither. You ever seen Meadowhall at like 8:10 on a morning? It's absolutely dead, isn't it? Just had like a massive panic. So what happens, you know, it was last week. Me and Eli were at Colton.
This idiot decides to go and bat his phone to the floor on a gravel car park and smash it. So we've ended up going to Boston Spa, and we've just got some bloke to fix it.
Every now and again I get like frozen screen. Well, yesterday I got black screen. And it was like all day. It sorted itself. I had no issues last night. But I was like, best just buy a new phone. Anyway, this morning, just arrived here. Frozen screen again. So I probably made the right call. God, I hate shopping centres. Good morning.
Where's my lip balm?
Did you just ask that?
I did.
It's okay.
Can I have the key, please?
Oh my word. Right. So while he's gone, I'll tell you what I did this morning. Dropped my train passes. So I'll tell you when he's here. So we're at Wigan. We're going to a little bit of a different one today. We're going to take the drone out. You what? No, I've got some in my pocket. It's a keyless entry car and he uses the key. So this morning, I'm going to pick him up, right? Gets to his house, has a look. Matey boy's playing on FIFA. He's not even ready. Kept me waiting 20 minutes, couldn't believe it. We're off to Carlisle on a train, then we're going to try and get a train somewhere else. Take the drone up for a bit. And then get back. How cold's it going to be when we're there, Eli?
Feels like -3.
How cold's it feel now? About -20?
Yeah.
Hair's tragic today and all. It's haircut time soon. So I don't know if I really explained it properly because I was too busy taking the piss out of her for us to say what we're doing. So we've got on the train, we're off to Carlisle. It's going to take about 2.5 hours. It's diverted via the Carlisle route, which is quite rare. What's your thoughts on it, Eli? Jim?
I would have preferred it to have been a Pendolino with a drag, but I think it's going to be a good ride. 2 bits of rare track as well, which is a bonus. Yeah, solid.
I love it when he does his train geek stuff.
What train geek stuff?
Apart from I have to spend all day with him. So this is how busy the train is. It's like nobody on it. That there is a face only a mother could love.
So we're just about to walk past Castle Summit. I don't think there'll be anything in.
So we came with the drone and stood there the first time we got it, if you remember. Hello, a bit close there. What What did you make it run? Were it alright?
Nice run. Although we're late, for a good run.
Not bad, was it?
Alright.
What's planned now?
Go and take some pictures of them 321s. Or 320s or whatever they are. And then go into Carlisle to bakery. And then we're going to head off to either is it Garsdale?
Either Garsdale or Ribblehead.
Yeah. That one. Where is it?
Welcome to Carlisle, where we finish our journey.
That's the train we've just come in on. This is Carlisle. Matey boy.
Hello.
We had a pizza. Tell us how nice it was. We didn't video it, did we?
No, it was good. Very
We went to our bakery that we normally go to and it was shut. Reopens tomorrow. So we went to a Greg's and we got a tandoori chicken pizza. Great good, wasn't it?
good.
Where are we off?
Ribblehead. Catch this. Is it just one?
2.
Two. Or AO5s. We'll get them on the drone as well. And then yeah, I think we're heading back up. And the return one's only a 5-car.
And we only have a 5-minute connection. If we miss it, we have 2 hours to wait for the next one. Because there's no other way of getting back. I think it's a bit risky. Just got off the train at Ribblehead. Oh, it's so cold. Let me show you the view from here though. Typically, wind is horrendous as well. It's really bad wind, matey. Let's just, a couple of things. One, why is it all of a sudden really, really windy? I can't tell you. And 2, who's the one who always flies the drone?
Me.
Who's the one who's running out of phone battery?
Me.
Who's the one who did bring a charger? I thought that was snot. Look at my face. That's how cold it is. Wow, I'm red. So this is the area we've decided to fly the drone from. Look at the moon. This is where we're going from here. We weren't going to go underneath the viaduct like last time, but Eli's decided that he prefers this, so we're going to go over there. There he is with no phone battery. So it looks quite nice now that the sun's gone in. I like the colour of that cloud, particularly there. Talking of colours, Eli, you had to sit on the floor to video, didn't you?
Yeah.
How cold was it? Is your ass freezing? Is it numb?
No, my hands are really numb.
Or is it just your hands?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
So Andy's phone is too big to sit in the thing, in the
Controller?
controller. Yeah. Where's that? Right there. So yeah, it's too big to sit in the controller, and so I had to sit on my ass and film like that. And you honestly, you don't know how. I can't feel the tips of my fingers. I can't. Honestly, you can take the tops off of these. I just can't because my fingers won't.
Just leave it on,
won't
it's
do
fine,
it.
it's fine.
But yeah, it's really, really cold.
If it breaks, I'll blame you.
Okay.
But look at my face. Oh, plus I don't think I like this new camera. It's far too...
Where did you put my camera?
I think you've got it. Have your fingers warmed up a little bit?
Only a little bit. Still can't feel it.
Was it worth it?
I don't know yet. I've not got the videos off.
I really hope the videos are terrible. So we've warmed up now.
Just about.
It's absolutely freezing still. I must admit the lighting there, it's quite nice, but the camera's
Look
not.
at the moon.
Oh yeah, that's really good. Eli's excited, he's met his hero.
I know.
Haven't you? Talk to us.
So when we were there at the pub at the start, just updating the drone, I was like, is that Nick Badley's bird? And I took a second glance and it was. And as we were leaving, I sort of saw him like look and glance.
It's 2 minutes, we'll carry on when we get on the platform. There's loads of people being silly. Go on, see what you're saying. We've swapped sides now.
I've got it.
All right, thanks.
So we met, we saw Nick and his missus, I forget her name, and we went out, took shots of the diversions, and then went back into the pub and they arrived. So we just said hello as we were leaving. But yeah, we're now a couple of minutes away from being on the train back up to Carlisle, where we've got a 5-minute connection for the diversion heading south. And if we don't make it, we've got 2 hours to wait for Nexton. So, wish us luck. I just thought I'd film this bit 'cause it's pretty cool.
So Eli mentioned the moon. I've got my gloves on, see if I can zoom in. Probably it's too bright.
Click on it and really explode it. Do you want me to give it a go?
Yeah, go on. I'll pass you over. Oh, there we go.
There you go.
That actually looks quite cool, that picture of that. Anyway, I'll show you where we are. It's much darker than what the camera's letting on. Far darker than this. It's actually quite nice, isn't it?
It's alright, yeah.
God, we're both ugly. Now we're on train. What do you what do you reckon his chances of making this next one out? We left there too late.
We've got 3 minutes in. I think it's...
How are you feeling?
I'm not feeling it.
Might be drinking Cabin Solo. Look at your day. That sky looks amazing behind you, doesn't it?
It's alright. So I just thought I'd interrupt here. We're now at Armouth Way, is that how you say it? Coming up on Armouth Way, 4 minutes late. How long have we got for the connection? 5 minutes. Fucked.
Show us the time. Show us your watch.
Just show you on my phone.
We made it.
Just about.
Against all odds. £12.50. It's like the emptiest car. In fact, it was about this empty when we got here, wasn't it? Yeah. Tell you what, look at that for a cracking windscreen.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. No, they're lying little idiots.
Why?
Because on the app it says it's ready and we pulled up outside, he goes, 2 minutes, mate.
Friend. 2 minutes, friend.
Sorry.
And now we have the hazards on. Well, Eli, it's that every single time we come out.
Every time you've got a video, I'm always humping.
I'm standing back so I can see full humpage. Here we go. I better tap, Anna.
Yeah.
And before we chow down, are we going to talk about what we've got? Or we're going to show? Are we going to visualise?
Oh, we're going to show.
Wow.
Talk us through it.
These are the garlic cheese papa bite things. They just look like garlic breads. They look quite nice, actually, then.
They actually don't.
So we'll chuck them up there.
Yeah, put them on there so I can get greasy marks on me.
Straight.
You can open it or what?
Do I have a key, do you?
I've got loads of keys, matey.
The jalapeno bites.
Oh, they look good.
More greasy marks. And then keys again. Honestly, should make like a special Papa John's kit. There's my pizza.
Oh, that's yours, that, aye.
Oh.
Look at that. What is it?
Barbecue.
Oh, he's giving us different garlic. The fanny fat, and I only took one off him.
It's fine. And that's yours.
And that's mine. Thanks.
It's alright. Don't diss the key usage this time.
That's mine. That's actually not too bad, to be fair. You just stuff your face, I'll do your job. All right. And I've closed thing and all, which he never does. What did you think of your Papa John's?
So,
Do you remember me saying that he won't eat it all? He's left about 4 slices.
3 slices, and I'm going to eat them all because I've now getting a drink from McDonald's.
I bet he don't.
I bet I will. I bet you money, I will. Money that I don't have.
Exactly. How's your day been?
Class. Pure class.
Been alright, hasn't it? What was I going to say? I can't remember what I was going to say. Should we end the video here?
Yeah, might as well.
At Mackey's in a drive-through. Well, when's his next? I don't think we've got it all planned now, have we?
Hey, up, here's your bloke.
Oh, here he is. We'll finish it soon. I should have recorded your little episode then, shouldn't I? There's barbecue sauce on the oh yeah, that is a lot actually. I told him to leave it, but that's actually loads.
I think I'm going to have to go in for round 2 here. Ooh. Yeah, round 2. Why is the heck? That's terrible. Anyways, we're now at my house.
That's 30 seconds of you wiping a cable. If you've just sat through 30 seconds of been wiping a cable, well
apologise.
done. That's quite right. Right, Eli, we never finished early, did we? So, you're at home.
I'm at home.
That's it. Thank you. It's been a good day. I've enjoyed it. As I said, we don't have anything planned for the next one, do we? I don't think. Do we have? Oh, yeah, we do actually, yeah. Apart, no, not counting this. Oh, yeah, we could do. We could make it into 2 actually.
Yeah.
We'll make it into
make
2.
it into 2.
Yeah, that's what we'll do. Right. Thanks for watching. It's been a great laugh.
Adios.
Right. Oh, we'll try again. I'm not blind you this time. You're really dubious of what I'm going to do, aren't you?
Yes.
Just move your arms. Look how mucky his jeans are. Right, get out of my car. Go. Have you got a sack hanging out? Not this time. See ya.